ko lang guys magpakain ng ating alagang aso. Oh! Guys, what is that? So I found 4 eggs. So guys, laki guys. Oh, laki-laki nila. So meron tayong 4 na itlog ng gansa. Ayan.
Nakatingin pa sila oh. Oh, look.
Sorry.
Look the eggs.
Basa na. Basa na eh. Tsaka wala to yung similya.
Okay. Say goodbye.